So for this project, we've taken the technology that we've shown with the virtual factory and combined it with this power wall from Mechdyne, where now we're able to be in the virtual world of CCAM, and we're able to see the machinery, but to see it in collaboration with each other. So all of us can be here looking at the same image. We can navigate through the factory, through our high bay here. We can see the different equipment. You can see as the programs are running on each piece of equipment, you'll be able to virtually see what program, what's happening, if the data is flowing. We've added these data flow pipes to show when there's actual data coming from each machine to allow you to visualize that, allow you to see what's happening. Here in the background, you'll see the mirror robot is also running around, and you can tell that it's updating live. That position where the mirror robot is at this time is the actual position of the robot out there on the floor. And so we can see that it's working, we can see where it is. That same thing will happen with other robotics and machinery, like this robot in the view. The joints will be updated live, and as it performs a process, a manufacturing process, you'll be able to see that. And what's neat about this as well is we all don't have to be in the same room. We could be in different parts of the country, we can be in different locations, and we can meet virtually and have a conversation and interact with the manufacturing plant that's in the virtual environment. For a more developed process, you can have all the different equipment on the line, all moving together, all showing data, and being a live process allow you to see and visualize what's happening from different locations. Some of the things that we want to be able to do with this in the future is to be able to develop further this data flow and the ability to see what data you're gathering in your processes. You'd be able to go up to a machine and select whichever data you want to visualize. We have different processes here at CCAM that we are developing this on, and one example is the thermal spray unit, where we'll be able to not only see what program is running, but you can visualize the data as it's collected. And as you can see in the screen, you can have different graphs and different data that you'll be able to interact with as you collect it. So to develop this, we would need to pick process lines, pick equipment that you want to collect data on, and then set up the system to collect that data and store it in the digital factory. And then on this end, we did tie it to the virtual factory to update live, and then deploy that around to the different people that you want to interact with and visualize the process with.